Welcome YouTube, it's your girl Mickey Molly, and today we'll be getting into my deep conditioning routine. Before you even get started, yes, I have a bag, yes, camera bag on my head. Yeah, I know, ratchet. But yeah, so we're not even gonna watch that, but yeah. So today I'll be deep conditioning with Macadamia natural oil deep repair mask. And this mask was just a tad bit higher than the regular masks that I buy, but I really want to see if it's gonna like make my hair flourish and make my curls really pop. So yeah, I feel like this is like the first big hair purchase I've made all year. Am I lying? No, I'm not lying. I haven't bought anything like really expensive for my hair. So yeah, I'm kind of excited to see. I really hope my curls pop. Like, that's what I'm hoping to get from this. I'm hoping my curls just look like, oh my god, like they went to heaven and came back. Because isn't this like a salon hair product? I don't know. I think it is. It should be like a salon. Yeah, take home salon quality. So this is like salon quality. Yes. So we're just gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna make you guys, I'm gonna let you guys, if you guys want to watch, let you guys just watch me get through my deep conditioning routine. You guys are gonna see me apply the product. You guys are gonna see me go under the dryer. You guys are gonna see the finished product. See how that looks. I mean, you're gonna see the wet finished product because my hair is not gonna get dry in the point process. But yeah, you guys are gonna see what happens with the whole shebang going. So if you want to see this, please keep watching. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, hey, I'm Mickey Molly. I do videos on fashion, hair, and lifestyle. So if you like what you see, you want to see more of what you see, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so you can be notified whenever I post a video. But yeah, I'm gonna get started.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, yeah. Pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. And your mama like me, look, I squared up with Cupid, told him find me. I stole your love, you shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR, baby, won't you tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you're willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that you mean the world to me, yeah. I travel around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know that, yeah, baby, yeah. Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding to kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring. You got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switch up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love. I pull up to your spot in the evening. Got a life in a pop for the weekend. Girl, I said you're the one and I mean it. Yeah, I mean it. I told my baby we can do what you want. Take the stress away from what you've been going through. Girl, there's one thing on my mind and it's always you. Yeah, it's always you. Feet up, palm trees, sundress, daiquiri. Way you look at me is staggering. Way I break out songs that's factory. Way I look at you like you got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love.
All 4 seasons I've been chasing you. Running around the subject, I'ma find the truth, yeah. Playing it coy, but I'ma weather through it. Calling me a boy, can we make it move? I feel the heat like a summer solstice. Running out of words, running out of choices. I can hear the smile and the tone of voice, yeah, yeah, yeah. And it's something about that moon, make your lips taste just like June. Falling faster into you.
You got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love.
Oh baby, I can't get you off my mind, and I really like it. Swear I love you like nobody else. When you kiss me, get my body chill. I wanna give all of me to you. Tell me you feel what I'm feeling too. Swear I really don't know what to do, 'cause I'm going crazy. Boy, like how you made me. Grass is greener on my side. That's my baby, the sun died. Nobody like you, yeah, I mean that. Give me all the love, yeah,
You
I need
got the
that.
summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love. Baby, come and talk to me. Show the sea. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. We don't need no plan B, about to have a family. Sounding like a Grammy, every time you speak, make me wanna sing. Yeah, make me wanna sing. So Passionate like Jackson, 5 heartbeats, temptation. Girl, don't keep me waiting. I love you, that's Cupid. That's Soul Child with the music. You my boo, that's Alicia. I told you I need you, that's Jazz. And baby girl, you bad. So won't you come and talk to me? You're the Z. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song.
Okay, so this is my hair after being washed out. Yeah, so as you guys know, the front of my hair looks like sadness, but we're gonna look at my curls. So my curls are like really nice. This is my hair without any product in it, so that's pretty good, I think. I don't know, my roots always look like hot sadness, but like look at my curls, like they're really nice, like really nice. But yeah, I just wanted to like get on here and show you guys my curls before my hair gets dried and gets disgusting and matted. So I'm going to go and do a ponytail or something. Yeah. But yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel so like you guys can see more videos like this. But that's it.